What's going on, guys? It's your boy, y'all already know. Anyways, we got this transmission rebuilt. Got that bad boy right there, You see this? Got that new sub-assembly on there. See this? Y'all see this? Woo, new sub-assembly. Look at that, yes! Anyways, we're about to slap this month in. I'm going live tonight, so I need to hurry up and get this thing in the car. That way I have a good stopping point. So, stay tuned.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself.
Average Joe. Yeah. Underground streets. I'm from that deuce down, that countdown, that 210, yeah, that's A-Town. A lot of black and browns, don't joke with clowns, and we stay strapped on every side of town. Sit big mo as we blaze up. 92 to 2010 plus, I never will, I never gave a fuck. I let another hater hang from my nuts. I'm a lone star, underground star. Jamming screws, I'm sipping bars. Trill nigga in them candy cars. It's a way of life, so never made the bar. And we big pimpin', spending cheese. All right, P to Pin C. Screw Big Mo and Big Ho. Got me sipping surface if I got a call. Some niggas play hard, but we know they soft. And they got a bitch we done knocked off. With a new dumb round with the top off. And she cocked and knock ready to pop off. Stay fly as fuck, ready for takeoff. Touchdown, the city's ready for football. Hold up. Listen, I'ma slow it down for you. Hey, in my hood, the young blaze of foes. Inspired by LA and Houston, SA's a hustler's home. Where it ain't shit to do unless your money is long. That's probably why these out-of-staters tell me that they miss home. Don't get it wrong, it's always shit to be done. Why the fuck these out-of-towners thinking we ain't got guns? Hey, I try to tell them when you're up in the slums. Listen, we on the streets every night like bums. When I lived on Dory, part of the sticks, but though my daddy black Cypher's right shoulder was 6. So, a nigga caught in a mix, but no, gang banging nigga loaded the clips with the black bandana to hide the description. When I was on the mission of shipping by selling prescription and bullshit weed, but not for my wealth. I was trying to hustle the ground like my middle name's Death. Said you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. Said you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. Said you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. Yeah, you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. Snapbacks and tattoos, so we ride slow and bang screw. Snapbacks and tattoos, so we ride slow and bang screw. Snapbacks and tattoos, so we ride slow and bang screw. Snapbacks and tattoos, so we ride slow and bang screw.
Dang, I forgot. On these, the axle angle is so aggressive, so you can't just pop the axle in without actually having to take that off. So I had to re-drop it down after I got the bolt, the secure bolt up in there. And then I had to get the axle in. Once I got the level, once I got it a little bit leveled, popped right in, got it back up. Over here trying to rush because we got this live going tonight.
And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams.
Now we need to get this lined up. I throw a jack underneath to bump it up because the mount's all twisted because it only has one bolt. Y'all can't see it. But it has one bolt right here and then the chain. Sure all your bolts can go in by hand before you lock it down. You don't want to cross-thread a bolt. Every one of them are going good. I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite. Or on a nightclub for the end of the night. Oh. And we all got dreams. We all want things. What you gonna do for how you gonna move? What you gonna be? Now that's where we're gonna freaking leave off here on this transmission. I will catch y'all tonight, but on the next one. Deuce.